Welcome to the zero-fee DePIN mesh. Let's get connected. Bro, we just booted up the first full Genesis Validator on-chain. 32 million coins are locked and compiling. It is a decentralized DePIN mesh network. We host your validator for free. 0% forced fees. You choose your own donation back to the community fund. Bro, the other guys are charging 10% operator cuts on trash central clouds. Their nodes are literally run-down hardware. They are getting wrecked by downtime. Howdy! You are ruining the market! How can we charge our 10% forced cuts if you are hosting them for free? It is unfair. Oi, step away from that garbage hardware. We are opening this enterprise-grade node to the entire community. Struth. Struth. Bro, they rugged ready. The Genesis key surge completely vaporized the little droid. It is a tragedy.